This is why you should not cut off your whole cabbage when you harvest it. Look at that. Another cabbage is growing from that one that I harvest. I have several more to come. Oh, I see a big one right over there. Okay, cabbage. I see you coming up. I see another one over that way too. I had harvested one right there and one right here, and they are growing back some more cabbage leaves. Little baby cabbages are coming back up. Cabbage bed is looking good. More cabbages to harvest soon. I see some germination going on over here. Okay, my green beans and my yellow wax beans. I see y'all sprouting up. Come on up, come on up. Come on up, yes. Okay. Springtime, we're gonna have us some green beans and yellow wax beans growing over in this garden bed. And look over here. My cucumbers have germinated. Look at y'all. I see you. I see a lot of you coming up. Okay. Have some more collard greens have come up. And my lettuce. Okay, lettuce, come on. Some of my romaine lettuce. Come on, romaine lettuce and collard greens. Okay, mustard greens, y'all looking good. Time to harvest, you guys. And I still have some collard greens over here. Some more trying to sprout up in the bag. But y'all looking good. Yes, you are. Time to harvest some more collard greens over here too. Y'all looking great. Okay. And look what's trying to sprout up already before the springtime comes. Some more asparagus. Boy, look at those spears. Okay, I see you coming up. You gotta catch them before they get real big and harvest them, or they're gonna turn into little ferns that's gonna start growing on them and looking like this. So I may have to just go ahead and cut these back and catch the next round that's coming up. Look at that big asparagus there. That one's gonna be too hard to eat. And over here, have some lettuce trying to grow. Okay, lettuce bed. Look at that beautiful burgundy color lettuce. I think this is the salad bowl lettuce. Here it's all curled up like that. Over here, I have some red mustard greens sprouting up. Okay, look how pretty you are. Okay, red mustard greens.